Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2015 Honda Fit, and I'm doing the oil change right now, and you can see oil is very dirty. Alright, here's my drain bolt, 17 millimeter. Ooh, dirty. Oil filter is right in the front. Let it drain out. Got my new oil filter here. I oiled the gasket between the housing. Just hand tighten. Good enough. For the drain bolt, tighten it down with hand. So this is tight. Snug it. That's it. The Honda oil takes 0.20, and I'm putting in 0.20 full synthetic, and this takes 4 quarts exact. So I just put in 4 quarts. Double check it again, and you can see the oil is at the high mark, a little bit over the high right here, and then the oil filter is going to take some of it, so it'll be down to the high mark. So this is perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. So key on. So to get to the oil light, you're going to toggle through the menu with this little stick right here, and once you get to that, hold it for 10 seconds until it blinks. It's oil light. Keep holding it till it blinks. There you go. Press it again, hold it for 10 seconds again. That's it. Go back to 100. So there you go guys. That is it for the oil reset and the oil change. Pretty easy. That's it for this video guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.